Hi Bhakti, how are you?
Hi Rakhi, good. How about you?
I'm very well. Um, a warm welcome to you for the podcast today. And I'm very excited to have this interesting conversation with our finest German trainer in the language school. Okay.
Thanks a lot.
And I look forward for that interesting conversation with you today. Okay. Bhakti, I have always seen you as a professional in the language school. Your aura and the way you teach German to the students. So it's been an interesting journey for us to look at you, how you are as a trainer, and how you have ensured that you teach German language flawlessly. But at times what happens is it's always interesting to know that how the person is in their personal life. So I'm very curious that how you are in your personal life.
Uh, I think in personal life also I'm a very talkative girl, and maybe that has made me stick to my profession also because I have lots of friends. I have like I'm always busy into some or other activities. I cannot stay calm at all. And maybe because of this nature only I'm enjoying teaching also, learning new students all the time, knowing about them, interacting with them. I just love it. And so I'm never getting tired of teaching also. I mean, just can talk for hours and hours.
Oh, I'm sure.
Also, to add something is I'm a singer also. Yeah, I like I have learned singing. I have done my graduation in singing, so that's hobby also, passion also.
Wow, I think that is something, and that's the reason I asked you, right? That it's always good to know how that person is in their personal life. So someday we definitely want to hear how
Yeah,
you sing, right?
yes,
Uh,
I'd
so
love to.
that talent needs to come out, isn't it?
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah, I would love
lovely,
to sing for you.
lovely. That's so nice to hear that. So you're basically a people's person.
Definitely.
Okay. Now, you know what? So, when, as I say that I have seen your work as a German trainer, uh, I'm always, curious in terms of all the trainers that how do you actually impart, how do you teach German in the language school? Because language school is known for all the expertise in the languages that they have built up, the kind of trainers uh, you
Sure.
know uh, the language school has, and the way the language school is ensuring that the students are learning the language very well, right from basic to the advanced level.
Yes,
So
definitely.
with German, how do you ensure, how do you teach German? What is your approach?
Okay. First, I would also like to add something about the language school. Like I have been working with the language school since last 8 years now. And I must add that this organization is taking care of their students as well as the employees also equally. And hence it is actually the one of the best organization in this field. Also, I it has been such a wonderful journey, full of opportunities and full of learning for me also. So now it's been almost 18 years of experience, 18 years of experience of teaching German to the students, to the corporates who are traveling to Germany, or to the ones who are learning German as their hobbies. Okay. Now, yes, the next question which you asked me, I would love to answer that. Actually, I start with the basics. I start teaching basics first to the students about the language, how it works, how the language is, what is the base of the language. And once they are ready, I help them comprehend their advanced knowledge of the language. So this is how it begins actually.
Oh, so I know few words, right? For example, for good morning, you say Guten
Guten
Morgen,
Morgen. Yeah.
right?
Wie
O-
geht's?
Okay,
How
and
are
for
you doing?
thank you, you say Danke, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah. Danke.
Lovely.
I yeah, danke, bitte. Yes.
Okay, great. And when you're teaching the language, you know how. So of course, every language has to cover four areas, right? Reading, writing, speaking, listening. So, how do you cover the speaking and the writing part? How do you teach the students?
This is really a good question. So, actually, for speaking, I ensured that the sessions would happen in German language itself.
Hmm.
And day to day role plays we do, topic based discussions, question answer rounds we do.
Hmm.
And to enhance their writing skills, we are writing multiple emails, form fillings, various types of writing exercises in the class.
Oh, awesome. And then, that, so my question again, the next question to you is, then is that the way how you build confidence in the students? So at the end of it, when all students who have opted for German in the language school, how do they get, or how do you build their confidence in the language?
Okay. So basically, there are different competency level courses. Like after completing the basic courses like A1 and A2, the students can really handle basic to intermediate situations, conversations in German language. And after
Okay.
completing their advanced levels, they can surely add German to their careers as an extra advantage. And yeah, this is how basically we have to make sure that it's language, so it is not a subject, it's an art. We should enjoy learning it.
Fantastic. I mean, I'm sure German has a lot of scope, and there are students
Definitely.
from various facets who come with their aspirations and goals for different career opportunities, right?
Yes.
Yeah, and a trainer like you, a trainer par excellence, who does a fantastic job to achieve their goals. And that is what, the language school is about. The USP of the language school is trainers like you, okay? And amazing. Keep doing up the good work, what we've seen. And that's the reason today I wanted to invite you for this podcast to have this interesting conversation of your journey of imparting German knowledge in the language school.
Thanks a lot. It was a wonderful experience having you with me today here.
Me too, it was really nice talking to you. And yes, again, as I said, interesting conversation. Thank you for your time and effort to be part of my podcast. Thank you very much, Bhakti.
Thank you, Shion Rakhi.